She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. See? My mother doesn't love me. Well, why should she? She's desperate to believe she's still the same woman she was a decade ago. The star of her day. But all of a sudden, I'm 25. The hard-to-hide evidence that she's no longer very young. See, when I'm not around, she's still 40-something. But when I am around, she's joining the over 50 club, and she hates me for it. Plus, she knows I think theatre's dead, a middle-class mausoleum. She still believes in it, of course. Says she loves it. Even imagines it serves a function, that she actually has some effect on people's lives. She can't see it's a dead form, that people only cling to out of nostalgia. It's got nothing to do with reality, with being alive now. May as well be television. It's equally as banal, deadly, and meaningless. All we ever get is the same sentimental, self-congratulatory shit, masquerading as reality. Or second-hand ideas dressed up as cutting fucking edge. When I see the actors on stage, pretending to be real, pretending to eat, drink, walk, talk, love, wear jackets, I want to scream. Stop! Stop trying to make me feel your fake feelings. Stop trying to trick me. Stop treating me like a child. Your reality is not my reality. Your dead world is not my world. When I see the same cliches, the same reheated lies over and over, all I want to do is run, screaming from the theatre and bury myself in life.